Strong, gusty winds have caused havoc in Italy along the Adriatic coast. 15 crew members had to be rescued by helicopter after a cargo ship and tugboat ran aground. Floodwaters have turned streets into rivers along the Bari coast. In the Lazio region, 2 people in their 70s were killed on the spot after a wall collapsed, and a Romanian man died when a tree fell onto a car near Rome. The gale-force winds with gusts hitting over 100 miles an hour swept along the Adriatic Sea, mangling roofs, toppling trees, disrupting traffic and shattering windows. It's a busy day for firemen cutting up the fallen trees. Unsafe walls and debris have been cordoned off for safety as the clean-up begins.